So it is May 11th, here to pack up my classroom for the summer, throw away old supplies that they don't need, folders, papers, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started throwing away their modules for math because I don't need those, and just kind of picking up so they can clean for the summer. So now that I got all the textbooks outside for the custodians to bring to recycling, I'm gonna go ahead and work on these dry erase boards I have. These are just dry erase sleeves that I put inserts in. As you can tell, it's a Kleenex. So I'm gonna empty these out and probably put new papers in next year. These are templates from our curriculum, and these pink papers I just use like when they're trying to signal to me that they're ready. They show me the pink side. And since it's got like marker residue, probably just go clean it out and do all new ones next year. So that's what I'm gonna take on next. Okay, so far I've cleaned out their modules and workbooks, put those outside for recycling, cleaned out their fluency books, which again for recycling, kind of organized my binder area, as you can see down here, because that's some of that stuff needed to go. So now I need to clean off my desk, and I think I'm pretty much done. So I think I got a good bit of things packed up. I cleared off all of those shelves at the top and been putting things in these cabinets. I cleared off my desk, kind of back here, and my tables. But I really don't know how to do this because this is classroom number 7 for me and year number 9. So if you did the math for that, there's only been 2 summers where I've been able to pack up and come back to that same classroom. Every other time I've been moving. Either moving schools or moving classrooms, not because I got a different position. Sometimes it was just like, we got new partners, so it just made sense for us to move, and I didn't mind moving because I liked the fresh start. And there was a couple of times where I moved schools, as in the entire school moved. That happened to me twice. So I really just don't know how to even do this. I mean, I'm just putting stuff in here because I'm gonna unpack it and reorganize it come August. And I just want everything out of the way. I don't want anything in the way for janitors. But it's just really odd. Like, I don't know what to do. And it's so weird that this stuff is like still out. This was my small group work for March 16th. Because we got out on the 13th or the 15th, whatever it was. And I had all my stuff prepped. We were coming back in a month. So it's really weird. And, you know, when you get out to normal, end of school, you're like cleaning stuff all week. So this is like no big deal. But I mean, I still had their basketball schedule posted in my classroom so I could attend their games. And there's just so many things like they would have like helped me wipe down and stuff like that. And now that's just not happening. So got a good bit cleaned out. I need to return these library books that we just kind of collected on the last day. Bringing home this was like a runner that went on top of those shelves. I'm gonna bring those home and wash them. That's just a pack of paper and Lysol. And the stuff on my board is probably going to stay up there until August. I don't plan on redoing my theme or anything like that. And the other thing I need to do is take down these posters, these anchor charts, because I'm not gonna be teaching fractions when I come back in August. So I'm probably gonna take those down, but I might wait till August and then laminate them because they're not hurting anything being up there. The janitors can still come in and mop. So I think that's pretty much it. Kind of sad